there, and then you close your paws inside there, you know. Hey, let me come back to you. This is BRBP TV Special Edition Fire Challenge. Yes, the Fire Challenge.
Tell them where you at.
You know, we up in Screws right now. Up in America, I see they have the Ice Challenge. They jump in the lake that is cold. My brother is crazy. You right? But the real thing is the Fire Challenge. This is the hottest pool at Screws. And here I'm going to do the Fire Challenge.
Take the deep, take the deep.
No. Here's my last request. When I die, when I die young, when I die young, carry me to Perky's, get me a cheese pizza with some ginger quenchy. Why? Pizza! Yes! This is going to make you go natural look because Rasta don't can do them kind of
Rasta got soul.
Rasta got
reggae
soul,
music taking control.
Boom, boom, boom. More time.
Yes.
Alright, what do you call one, man?
Hi! Yeah, I'm not trying that at all. I think I'll go in the cooler one.
Anyway,
that's all.
The history of the place,
easy.
Right? The history of the place. Back in the day, the Carinago people said that there was this snake called Mucho. Mucho met with another ancient animal called the agutira. It was from Spain. So Mucho loved to take on challenges. So Agutira told him, my friend Mucho, back in Spain, we love the Puerto. Puerto is easier in Spanish, right? I don't know. Anyway, so he said the Puerto, show me the Puerto, show me the Puerto. So Agutira came, Agutira knew how hot it was. So Agutira stepped in and he went 1 foot in. Then he said, Mucha, you cannot do this better than me, Mucha. Mucha said, what? You don't know me, I am Mucha, king of the Dominican jungle. Then Mucha took 3 steps back and then he plunged into the lake. When Mucha came up, he said, Mucha fuerte, Mucha fuerte. He went in his legs and he came back on his belly. And that's how Mucha lost his legs.